Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about the overall market, where I'm seeing we are at as far as Bitcoin, altcoins, Bitcoin dominance, all that. I want to talk about some altcoins that I've been watching on the list. As you guys may know, I want to talk about DOS, AKRO, Luxo, and also the Uniswap token. I want to look at the charts and show you guys a little bit about that. So first things first, subscribe to the video, man. Like the video. You know, I bring these videos to you guys as much as I can. Going to be getting back to a daily basis pretty soon, and trying to just bring you guys the best of the market and trying to help you out and get this money so we can go ahead and get it together. And yeah, as you guys know, in this market, it's just a bunch of people trying to take your money. Everybody's trying to take each other's money. You know, in trading, you don't lose money, people take it from you. So with the ideas that I try to bring to this channel, I try to help you get upper hand on everybody else in the market as far as that is concerned. So first thing, if we go to CoinGecko, let me refresh this page real quick. So going to CoinGecko right now, we see that the overall market cap is $364 billion. So we're still under the 400 range. We haven't broke like the 380 range yet, but you know, so I still think we have a lot of growth to go just because of that. We haven't even hit $500 billion yet in this overall market, and I think in the long run we're definitely gonna have to hit that $1 trillion mark at some point. Don't know if it's gonna be in 2 months, 3 months, or don't know if it's gonna be 2 years, 3 years, don't know if it's gonna be 10 years, but I'm gonna be there, and we're gonna be there making money along the whole way. So right now Bitcoin is at 1133. So first thing, I want to pull up this chart that I had showed you guys in the last video, and I was saying, okay, if Bitcoin breaks out, it might have a top at this line. And actually I posted this chart in the trading group where I said this was where my resistance level was, and it's kind of hitting there perfectly, but it looks like it might be creating some type of flag or some type of pennant, and could continue higher up to the $12,000 range. So I think that would be pretty cool, because then we'll put like a higher high right here, and if we get over 12,500, then I think I have to get super bullish. I have to get way more bullish. But right now on the 4-hour chart, we're above the cloud. We hit back above the 200 moving average. Go into the daily chart. Let me see if I can switch this to the daily. Yeah, go into the daily right here. It got above the cloud, broke through it like nothing, which is pretty cool. So I'm thinking it might come test the top of the cloud a little bit and then maybe go higher. You can see it was trading here a couple times. So Bitcoin is actually doing its thing, and you know, in the short term, that sucks kind of for altcoins, because when, as you know, when Bitcoin moves, altcoins tend, Bitcoin goes up, altcoins go down, Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down. But yeah, that's just something that happens, and you know, it's unfortunate. But the good thing about that is when Bitcoin goes back into its little ranging phase, then altcoins blast off, and we all get to have a good time with those. But as of right now, it's kind of really looking at Bitcoin and then seeing where the accumulation phase is for the altcoins that you like, or the altcoins that I like. So so yeah, target is looking like it's up here. If it breaks through that, then the next one will be right there, and if we get through that, then I got to get super bullish, because then we're putting some higher highs on this whole macro scale, and that's what we need for Bitcoin and for the overall market. Looking at Bitcoin dominance, had a double bottom, so that's not looking good for altcoins. I don't really like to see that, but like I said, in the long run, it always helps out. It always helps out the altcoins in the long run. But yeah, you see there's a double bottom right there. I don't really want to get too much into that because it's kind of sad. And hopefully it doesn't break above, I don't know, why are these weird colors coming out? Hopefully it doesn't break above, let me see if I can find a nice trend line here. Actually, it's kind of just doing its little straight thing. But yeah, hopefully it just doesn't keep going up and it just keeps, you know, whatever, keeps ranging in this little range right here. Let's go into the coin. So looking at DOS, so I was like, I'm getting out of DOS at 5 cents, so I got out at 5 cents, and then I was like, you know, the chart, I was like, it's getting really oversold, so I got back in at 5 cents. You know what I mean? And then now it's at 8 cents. Looking at the chart, let me go to the professional chart. Looking at the chart, this is what I had on this DOS chart for the longest time, and you can see that this trend has just been down in the dumps. And moving this trend line to match some of the candle bodies, you can see that there was like a breakout, and then it got above the cloud recently. Over here it got up first, and then it retested and then got above the cloud again, and then this breakout above this line. Testing all these moving averages. This is the 1 hour. Let me go to the 4 hour. This is the one I like to trade on. So didn't get above the cloud yet. That's what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for it to get back above the cloud. If it starts going below these two moving averages right here, which is the 13 is the blue one and the 34 is the green one, if it goes below these, then I'm back out. If it goes below 5 cents, then I'm back out. That's my bottom, you know, for DOS right now. And this histogram is looking, you know, like it's starting to turn down to the downside. But yeah, I don't know. I have to redraw this chart, honestly. But it's been doing good so far, so I won't redraw it too much. I'll just leave it there, see what happens. Try to get above these moving averages, trying to get above the 200 on the daily, which is always a nice blast off for coins, which is also breaking out of this little channel that I had, this triangle that I had here. And also there could be a MACD cross on the daily, which is also looking good for DOS right there. That might be fun. That could be fun. A little cross right there. So it's been going down for a long while. So that's my take. Damn. That's my take on DOS for right now. So I'm in until we break below 5 cents. That's the level, man. I was only out for like a couple hours, to be honest. I was like, I don't know. I'm getting back in. AKRO sitting at the penny mark again. There's a bunch of people who hit me up in the comments when AKRO is below a penny. They're like, should I buy? And I was like, probably. Maybe, you know, I think it's very undervalued at below a penny for sure. Looking at this chart right here on Kucoin, this thing has been beat down pretty crazy as well, and all of them are starting to have like this little recovery, and hopefully these are like, this is the 8-hour chart, but hopefully these are little double bottoms. Let's go check out the daily. Hopefully we'll see. They might still have another like double bottom going on here, which it will be like something like this and then go up again. I like how it put that little squigglies in there, Kucoin. I needed that. But yeah, I think it might do something like that. I don't know. It all depends on the overall market altogether. It all depends on like the macro scale. You guys know that this whole coronavirus, Trump tweets and all this stuff is really affecting the market. The way people are just scared, and the psychology of the market and stuff like that. But also this downwards volume right here is actually a good thing, because, you know, if the volume's decreasing on a certain move, then it could be reversing soon. So I want to see some more volume come back into AKRO. So until then, I'm probably not going to be picking up any until there's more volume that comes back in. But just looking at it being below a penny, I might have to get a small bag. But I'm not going to go fully into AKRO until more volume comes in, until I see something happen with some of these levels breaking, maybe right here at the penny and a half, or a little bit over a penny and a half mark right there for AKRO. A lot of resistance, a lot of stuff going on in there for AKRO. Let me see. Maybe I could pull up the RSI. I'm sure it's pretty oversold. Pulling up the stochastic. So looking at the stochastic, it's looking starting to curve back up. So that's a good, man, Kucoin's like, what's going on? Okay, there we go. Starting to curve back up, but like I said, it could top out here and then do that little double bottom thing I was talking about. So I'm gonna wait on AKR a little bit, but of course I'm still looking at it. I still think they have some more stuff being developed. I still think they have the dollar cost averaging on the Adele platform, uncollateralized loans, just a bunch of things that they haven't really touched on yet on AKRO, and I think that's still coming. So keep an eye out for that. Still, I know it's been beat down like 95% since the all-time high. Like all of the coins from the DeFi little bubble we just had, you know, 5 cents to a penny. Like that's really rough to be holding on to, and that's why I told you guys, like, you have to know when to sell. Like, you can support a project and still get out and save yourself some money, and don't ride the markdown phase. You know, you got the markup phase, you got the accumulation markup, and then markdown, and you don't want to be sitting right here on this markdown phase and then this capitulation right here. Everybody just said just dumped for like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 days. You know, at some point you got to have a place where you get out. You can get back in later. Luxo, along with AGI, one of the most undervalued projects. But let's see. I mean, I'm speaking too soon. There's an ICO going on. This market cap could be stupid ridiculously high. The circulating supply could be stupid ridiculously high, and this price could be exactly the same. So I don't really know. I'm over speaking a little bit on Luxo because I don't have a lot of information about it. But in the future, I think what they're working on, their partnerships and stuff like that, is just great. And I spent some time going through their website again and looking at some of the actual partners that they had. A lot of people were just looking at their advisors, and I was seeing that they're working with a couple interesting things in the fashion industry and some futuristic stuff like that. And fashion is, you know, all about the future and stuff like that. So I bought a little bit of Luxo up here and I just held it like a stupid. So this is one that I bought. Whoa. I did not buy at $1. I bought 80 something cents. So I'm about almost 50% down. But hopefully this is a double bottom right here and it just starts heading back up. We'll see what happens. Hopefully they get some news soon. Hopefully we get more information about the project. About all these projects, you know, I think these projects do like to, I know for a fact some of them do, but I think a little bit more than I think like to hold off on the news and wait till we're starting to look bullish in the overall market, and then drop their news on just drop the news on your head after they know you've been, you know, after they know the price is looking kind of nice on the chart, just to kind of help the little catalyst and stuff like that. But that's just me. Got some evidence. But yeah, this one is beat down. The price I think is below the actual ICO price. It's very, very interesting. This is a IOU, I believe, the one that's on Kucoin. I don't get why I have an ICO when your coin is already released and stuff like that. Maybe somebody could explain that to me in the comments. I don't really get it, but they're doing their thing. They're doing what they got to do to raise money so that they can put the platform out and make it a great platform. So I let them do their thing when it comes to that. But this thing has just been getting beat down like crazy. 53 cents with a high of almost $2. Yeah, definitely it is $2. The high is $2. So 3x if you buy it here and it goes back to the all-time high. It's a nice 3x. But in the future, like I said, we'll see how this coin does. But I think it has a lot of potential. Right now, like I said, everything needs volume. Nothing really has volume right now. When volume starts trickling off, then hopefully we get some uptrend when the volume starts picking back up. So this downtrend is getting weaker in all these coins. The downtrend is getting weaker. This is what technical analysis can help you figure out. It's not a crystal ball. It's not going to tell you the future. But it's like the downtrend is getting weaker. The volume is trickling off. People are getting bored. So it's going to get hyped up soon. The last coin that I'm going to look at, Uni. Now, if you still got your 400 Uni, shout out to you. I got out at about $5, or yeah, about $5. I didn't sell all of it. Like I said, I was gonna do in my Uni video. I sold about 300. I still got 100 that I kept, but I sold about 300, and then I put it into ETH wrapped Bitcoin, and then I'm staking that on the Uniswap platform just to earn more Uni, and I'll leave that on there for a long time because it's cool. I'd rather hold the ETH and the Bitcoin and just receive Uni for that. So that's working out pretty well. It's not like super lucrative or anything like that. They're not giving me like hella Uni coins at once, but it's cool. Like over time it will accumulate and I'll be able to just collect Uni, and that was free money anyway, you know what I'm saying? So as the Bitcoin price goes up and Ethereum price goes up, I have those assets and I'm still using those to get more Uni. So that's my goal on Uni. And like I said, I still have 100 tokens. So if it goes to like, $100 or something, then yeah, let's get it. Uniswap has their V3 coming soon. Or V3 coming soon. So I would definitely keep an eye out for that if you are a Uni holder or if you're buying more Uni. I'm gonna look at the chart right now, but if you're a holder of Uni, then that might be something that's pretty dope. When that comes out, people might be FOMOing into this coin because of that. Because the 400 coins for everybody is a thing of the past. Now the traders are hip to the Uniswap token, and they don't really give nothing about that. So this was my dream chart that I wrote yesterday. I was like, man, I hope it breaks out of this thing and then just bounces and goes all crazy. But I had this little downtrend going for Uni, and it broke out to the upside. I hope. Let me erase this. I was just playing with that. I'm hoping that it hit the bottom of this cloud, and then I hope it comes, it'll retest the 34 right here and maybe bounce off of that. The MACD's also looking like the histogram wants to curve down a little bit. It doesn't have to always curve down a lot, but we'll see. And I think I'm gonna buy it once it gets above this cloud. I might buy some Uni right there, and that's for trading purposes, not for holding purposes. With the trades, I'm only in trades for maybe just until they stop pumping, for a day or so, midterm trader, a week or so. I'm rarely in trades for over a month, but sometimes if there's some stuff going on and it's just looking good the whole time, then I won't get out until I see those double tops and stuff like that. So I hope this video helps some of you guys out. I got the courses coming soon if you want to learn more about trading and you want to learn more about cryptocurrency in general. If you're brand new and you have no idea what the hell I just said for the last 15-20 minutes, then I have a beginner's course coming very soon. Also, the Telegram group is going to be opening up very soon again for a very small fee that I'm going to be using in order to make the Telegram group even more dope. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Say what's up. It's Saturday. Y'all have a good day. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.